Welcome back, everybody. My family's on vacation up here in northwestern Montana. We're just outside of Glacier National Park. We've been having a blast. Also been filming some videos, some episodes for Let's Give It a Try on Blackstone social media. But here on my channel, we're just gonna cook some lunch today. Blackstone 17-inch griddle, and I have a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. Diced up some onions at the house. Onions are looking good in just about 3 minutes, so I'm gonna use my little grease cup liner here. We're gonna pull the onions out, dump them in my grease cup liner. And I picked this out of my wife's grandmother's pantry. Wright's all natural hickory seasoning. A little bit of liquid smoke, if you will. I'm gonna mix this up with the onions. I can smell that hickory smoke already, and we'll put that down over here on the griddle top. And I picked these up at the grocery store. We used these in a video the other day. They make these in Kalispell. It's a Redneck brand, and they have the coolest selection of sausages and bacon. This is their Cheddar Dawgs smoked sausage with cheese. A little more oil, then I'll go straight down with my Redneck Cheddar Dawgs. And of course we're in Montana, so we've got to use the Alpine Touch. I'm using the light all-purpose version today because I found out if you season up your sausages, your hot dogs, they always taste better. Meanwhile, you can see those onions simmering in that liquid smoke. I might even give them, when I tasted them a few minutes ago off camera, tasted a little bland. I think I need a little salt in there, so a little salt, a little garlic. And what on sweet earth is this? So Hannah, who is behind the camera, is definitely living a vegetarian lifestyle, and we saw these in the store the other day. She suggested we try them out. Oh, I said, hey, green chili sounds good, and she wants to give it a try. So green chili cheddar, plant-based links. Oh my goodness, Todd is breaking ground here today. And I'll also hit those up with a little bit of oil and a kiss of the Alpine Touch as well. Let's see what's going on here. Oh yeah. If you guys watch my videos, you know that I'm all about the larger 3 and 4 burner griddles. We're on the 17-inch today, but it's so calm out here and so beautiful. I'm actually having to back this thing off down to like medium, maybe medium low. That's insane. Of course, we're in Montana, so I got the Wheat Montana steak rolls. Let's see what these are all about. Oh, yeah. Put the rolls down here just for a minute or two to warm up. I don't want to get these things crispy or burned, but I do want to get a light toast on them. All right, let's flip those rolls. You can see right there, a little bit of color. That's maybe 1 minute or so. 1 minute on that side, just a little bit of a toast, and I think we're pretty much gonna pull those. And of course, we're in the park all day. The Red Jammers, the famous vehicle, white motor company / Ford. This is their root beer. Oh, wee-haw! Let's toast to northwestern Montana. I'm gonna pull one of these sausages here. We're gonna come over here, cut into it, see what we're dealing with. Oh, I can see that. Look at that. See that cheddar? That's pretty impressive. Oh yeah, so gonna see what it tastes like, see if it's done. I think these sausages are done. Look at that, by the way. I mean, I've been, call it good luck, call it serendipity, call it what you want, but I've been blessed lately. The lighting has just been perfect in my videos up here in Montana. I think we're gonna pull those sausages. Oh, yes, Redneck Cheddar Dawgs. That's hot. It's hot on my hand. It's hot. All right, there we go. Using the griddle as a crutch. We have these delicious onions that have been marinating, sautéing in that hickory smoke. Man, that looks good. Folks, I wish you could be here. I wish you could be here. The scenery, the smell, and I picked up some Beaver brand deli mustard. Oh yeah, put a little bit of that on there, like that. Take a look at that. Check out the view, folks. The Rocky Mountains, northwestern Montana, and these delicious Redneck Cheddar Dawgs. And let's give it a try. Onions in the hickory liquid smoke, incredible. And the hoagie roll is delicious. Yeah.
So good. No.
Whoa! She gave me the cold shoulder. But folks, check out the views here. I know we didn't cook anything that was revolutionary today, but my goodness, it was revolutionarily good. Is that a word, revolutionarily? And those sauteed onions, killer. Sausage is great. Folks, look at the view out here. Those are the mountains in Glacier National Park. So folks, make sure you're watching all my videos, especially the ones over at Let's Give It a Try on Blackstone social media. And from here in beautiful northwestern Montana, this is Todd and Sadie. Can you say praise the Lord?
No, I cannot.
You cannot? Pass the sandwiches. Pass the Redneck Cheddar Dog sandwiches, whatever we're calling these. Say bye. Bye. Ah, satisfying. Sporting one of my vintage Rocky Mountain Meat Hunter shirts, by the way. She's gonna pop her first top. Oh, she did it. Oh.